Introducing the new feature for password protected publications. Now in the password protected option you will see this option that will allow your readers to request for the password. You just enable this and you can go to the collection settings to provide the email address where you will get the requests. It's here, just enter and save. In the viewer itself, you will see this option, request password. Enter, either provide his address, send request. Then you will get an email like this that will say that email password is requested, and you can send the password to the reader.